So a house for us is more family oriented and about us and the relationship that we have among us, and house is just a facilitator rather than a house being a showcase for somebody else to be welcomed into. This is a story of how architecture can step back, letting life and nature take the lead. Shilamay is a house that is designed to heighten your sensory experience. From the tactility of the walls, the chirping of the birds, the scent of the flowers, and the view of the garden and beyond. Hi, I'm architect Naman Shah from Sfera Blue in Ahmedabad. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Shilamay in Ahmedabad. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. This is an architect's home. It belongs to me, my wife and 2 children. It revolves around the requirements of my 2 boys. We are located around 16 kilometers outside the main city of Ahmedabad. There are more farmlands here than actual built structures. The basic plot that we have is around 400 feet in length and around 250 feet in width. At the site, we have a lake, and this is where we're supposed to have the house. This is the entrance of the approach of the house. So the majority of the view is on the west side of the house. This is a pathway leading to the entry veranda of the house. From the main porch, you enter into the vestibule, which is a double height. The first thing that you see when you enter into the house is this tree. It helped us end the railing, which is part of the staircase. This staircase is made out of metal with wooden. There is a small slide next to it. From the vestibule, there is a tapering entry. You go towards a living room. Suddenly you realize that there is no ceiling. This being the north side, you have diffuse light throughout the year. We don't want any partitions between the rooms as such, the common areas, so that the children can run around freely and everything. Instead of putting an actual photo frame, we have these cutouts in the wall. It kind of makes it look as if it's a photo frame which is put there. To have a seamless connection between the inside and the outside, Butex helped us specially to make large fenestrations, and you can completely open it out. Now these are all DGU glasses, especially because we are in a rural setting. So in the evening time, there's a lot of noise. So these help us shield the inside, and it's completely quiet once you are inside. So we have 2 vistas here. One is on the western side to the pond, and one is the northern side, which is another veranda. So now we are in the veranda, which is on the northern side. You come from the main entry through the banana path to here. For the greenery that we see around, we've gone for foodscaping. For the main landscape, what we have is the debris which was from the house. We put it in our land and we made them into contours. And these 6-7 contours that were made, we started having these bridges, wooden bridges. The main kitchen of the house, which is where most of the cooking happens, is right next to the dining area. The dining room is actually a community space for us. So we don't have any doors between the living room, the dining room and the kitchen. This double height gives us a lot of freedom in terms of the connectivity between the first floor to the ground floor. Being in a rural setting, our electricity is not quite constant. The auto sensor which we have for the overhead tank obviously fuses out the first and overflow starts. Because we have these DGU glasses, we cannot hear the water which is overflowing. We have a small slope which is there from the overflow. That water, once it collects, starts this waterfall which we have. The house is open on all four sides, so we have ample of light coming in from all directions. The dining area opens into the covered veranda. The TV room also opens into the covered veranda. The stone column behind me is actually a monolithic piece of granite. It's actually load bearing. The parents' bedroom on the ground floor is on the southwest part of the house. From the ground floor, one can go up the stairs onto the first floor. The first bedroom on the first floor is a guest bedroom. The second bedroom has a children room here. The children room has an inclined roof. It opens out into the balcony. We have a small net climbing area. Then once you keep going further, we have a bridge with my wife's office on the right side. The farthest end is when you come to the master bedroom on the southwest side. The master bathroom is connected with the parents' bathroom below by way of external shaft that we have. We started off with certain principles on which we wanted the house to be. The first one being the material of the house. So as far as the material goes, the construction material were three: load-bearing stone, fly ash bricks and compressed debris bricks. As far as the plaster going, we had lime mortar for everything. Only the RCC slabs are where we used cement. This is a home designed with a lot of playful factors while embracing the sensible concepts of minimizing waste and maximizing sustainability for the future. This house was not just built but also grown with the plants, with the birds and animals and with us.